Before watching my video, please subscribe my channel. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to do craft work about honeybee with comb. Materials required: A4 sheet, oil paste, brush, acrylic colors. Now we can start, friends. Friends, take brown oil paste and draw the tree. Friends, today I am going to say few lines about hard working honeybee. Now honeybee is saying, what? Mia, let's be. You think I simply have a fun all day among the flowers? Oh no! When I am filtering from flower to flower, I am actually very hard at work. Friends, do you know what is flitting? Flitting means flying. And that's why I am called not a lazy bee but a busy bee. Come, I will show my house. My house is called a honeycomb. It's a big house. We take a lot of care to build it. I visit hundreds of flowers and make several trips every day without wasting even a single moment. Friends, come back to the coloring. Friends, now start coloring the leaves. Friends, now take bubble wrapper. Then take scissors and cut it. Cut it properly, friends. And carefully, friends. Friends, after cutting a bubble wrapper, put double tape and paste it. We use bubble wrapper for honeycomb. Friends, now start coloring the honeycomb. Give yellow color, it will be attractive. Now start coloring the bees. Friends, bee coloring. Red color for wings, black color for antenna, yellow and black color for body. Draw some bees near the comb, it will be attractive. Give blue dark color. Friends, thanks for watching my craft work. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.